Y'all, I am really feeling like my little. Okay, we in the car. They're right there. Yeah, they are. And I'm not gonna sound last year or.
Everywhere.
Right.
And those right there, that's okay. But you know, them that come between the toe, I hate them.
Hey girl, hey. No, for real. She says, I cannot fathom how y'all get off work and then go parent somebody. I get home. Sometimes majority of the time, was it yesterday? Yeah, last night. I got home at 5:20, 5:30. I ain't turned the TV on until 9. I ain't in here and ain't said a word since I got home. Don't be doing all that talking now. Oh, I couldn't fathom. Oh, I could. It's a little warm, but it's also like a little cool. Let's go get something to eat. I don't want to get too much because I got 15 minutes left until I need to be where I'm at. So and then I'm going the wrong way. Let's figure out where we gotta go. I want a green juice though, at least. Why can I not find the address to where I need to go? And I think it's this one because it's the one off Beltline. Now that it's told me I'm going the wrong way, when I know Beltline is this way. What's that about? I need to go to the gas station too, as I'm passing the gas station.
I know my purpose. European car came with curtains. I have a daughter, I'm buying a baby.
I got a pimple. Troubles I be going through to get some content. But I did not take my phone. I didn't take my camera in there because I really didn't think I was gonna like what they had, but because I thought they were more of the like they already packaged juices, and no, they're freshly made. Well, they have packaged ones too, but the one I got was a freshly made one. I didn't even realize it. I thought it was a packaged one, but I'm okay with the freshly made one. But it's like cucumber, kale, spinach, lemon, I don't know, it might be all, I don't know what else is in here, but I gotta hurry up because I'm late. It's called the hardcore one. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Oh shoot. Let's park. Well, there's a Barnes & Noble. And let's go in because we got 1 minute. Have you got a lot of people from TikTok?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, like
is it overwhelming?
5 or 6
okay.
So far, because I just started, you know.
And I was reading the comments, I was like, dang, he got regulars already.
Yeah, so you did come off of a TikTok, right? I was going to say, yeah. Yeah,
I
no,
was
I've
like,
done a
oh
couple.
my God, I'd be so late at finding everything.
Like you get a good lather when you're doing your shampoo though?
Oh
like,
yeah.
Is it set up really good for you? Okay, that's good. That means you're getting all the product out of your hair.
Right.
But you do want to start off like really hot water and then progressively get colder and colder.
Okay.
Because it just locks in the moisture for you. And then I'm gonna put a deep conditioner on you with some oil. Just so it locks in moisture again too.
Okay.
Yeah, because I was excited about seeing her. Because I know she turns up pretty good.
No, she doesn't.
No, she doesn't.
That birthday was so nice.
Really?
Y'all, I am really feeling like my little, and my hair already getting poofy, and it's about to rain, y'all. It's about to rain. Hair is just what it's gonna be, whether I get it done for the first time or, you know, like after it's been wrapped. I had went to Ulta. I had went to Ulta, so let me show y'all what I had got. Makeup remover wipes, sunscreen. That was having a sale too. Urban Decay is no longer selling weightless liquid foundation up to 24-hour wear. They're discontinuing it, so all of their foundation, well, this kind was $10. It was everything, not everything, the foundations was 75% off. And I was in there trying on some. This side was like too light for me, but this is I tried on this side. See how you see like how my natural contour is, and then this, so it was too light for me. And then this side was okay, but this side was like it ate. So that, of course, some rose water. I sprayed it on me too. I was trying to see like how it was gonna be on me, but this is the travel size of the Kylie Jenner Cosmic perfume. I don't know how this gonna be on me. And then Maybelline Fit Me concealer, this one, and then some e.l.f. primer. Patron put me on to the e.l.f. primer because I used to use the Benefit, the Pore.
Here you go.
Thank you.
No worries. You could just sign up.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. You know what I'm ready to get away from? Oh, so lastly too, I had bought some wine and 2 bottles of Martell because that was on sale. That was on sale. That's the one thing I do like about the liquor store by my house. It's always something on sale. I need to take these glasses off because, for one, it's cloudy. Like a whole storm is about to be here in the next hour. That's why I'm trying to get everything that I need to get right now. And my hair, I don't know, but we're gonna let it ride. We can maintain it. Okay, okay, okay. All right, we almost at home.
My little boy wanted back on you, just wanna. Pocket so fat, call me Orbit. Orbit.
Hey y'all, what's the vibes? Nah, but for real though, good morning. I have to put y'all on the charger. So I'm gonna meet y'all in the car, cause plus I'm on a meeting too. So hey y'all, so I am back at work. and it's lunchtime. But I'm about to, I didn't do some editing. So InstaCart sent me two $40 off of $80 orders. So that's what I'm about to do right now. I'm about to put together a grocery menu, a grocery list, and we're gonna order it off of InstaCart. So let's do that. Laptop going dead, so let's put that up for the day. Okay, we in the car. It is lunchtime, so we're headed to get some food. I hate when they come out here and they drive so slow. Like, people don't be having no urgency of driving. You know what? I'm not gonna say that. I'm gonna say the people who drive, if you drive on 75, you know. If you know, you know. Like, you either gotta get out there, ain't no short driving, no slow, none of that. But anyways, to Papa Do's, cause y'all know I'm a seafood girly.
Well, I would.
I want to put me some flowers down. I got 2 aloe vera plants right now on my balcony. I want to pull them up and put some flowers down. Where you be getting yours from? Getting your toes done, they will do both. I need to get me a massage. This chair feels so good. Dress, but of course I'm rushing slow. I got 2 seconds to spare, so I'm trying to make sure everything off. So let me focus real quick. Okay, got that. Lights on, shoes on, heels, purse, bracelet. Oh, I need to put some deodorant on. Hold on. I need a comb too, but it's not gonna fit in the purse that I'm wearing. Let's put on deodorant. Okay, that smells so good. Show them my outfit real quick. Oh, I'm gonna put my rings on. So I'm here, and the amount of people that's here is very overwhelming for me. So I'm not bringing this camera. I'm gonna vlog from my phone, okay? But hair check. I smell so good. Oh, I smell good. Okay, let's walk, cause I gotta walk to where I gotta meet Mariah. So